Finally, online university professor Dr. Lois Hammond is zooming her way to an all-day breakfast pick. From donuts to eggs to fresh brewed coffee, she says they make everything exactly the way she wants it. And not to mention the friendly staff who always remember her name. Her pick is in Margate, and it's called Dandy Donut Factory.
Hi, my name is Evan Martin. I'm the general manager at Dandy Donut Factory Margate. The Dandy Donut Factory is like a diner donut shop. We're obviously known for the donuts, and we roll everything out handmade, the old-fashioned way. Every day we have 50 to 55 different types of donuts. Our signature donuts, our sour cream glazed, are our very best seller, and of course our Dandy Donut, which is a glazed donut rolled in donut crumbs. So it's more like a donut on a donut. About 50, 55 types of donuts every single day, and we bake them all here. That makes it, that much better of a quality product. Donuts is obviously our main attraction. However, a lot of people don't know or realize that we are a lot more than donuts. We're a donut diner shop, really. So we do breakfast, lunch, dinner, 24 hours a day. You can order anything off the menu, and we have a wide variety of different options. Anywhere from Dandy breakfast sandwich, which is bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese on a donut, to a normal classic, bacon, egg, and cheese, sausage, egg, and cheese, things like that. And we do have specialty drinks, espresso-based drinks, frappes, frozen blended coffee drinks, caramel macchiatos, lattes, cappuccinos, wide variety of those as well. We hope people feel when they walk in like a homey environment and family-oriented environment and just comfortable, warm feeling around. Also seeing the smiles on faces as they walk in, all the kids smiling, the family smiling, so everybody's happy when they're in a donut shop.
So Lois, tell us a little bit about Dandy Donut. And do you always get a donut when you go? That's my question.
I try not to. It's a great excuse. My neighbor loves their Staten Island, and I finally got one. I always get one to take it to her. Makes me feel like such a charitable person. Yeah, I pretty much always get a sour cream glazed. It's my favorite, and I sit down with coffee, and then eventually order breakfast, and anything I don't finish, I can just take home with me. They're fabulous. I feel so comfortable there. It's just a warm, homey diner, and I'll take a linen tablecloth anytime, but this is great.
Now, it's not only donuts, right? They have a full menu.
Oh, no. Right.
Delicious. Evan, what did you think?
Reminded me of a Jersey diner, a small Jersey diner. And that's saying everything positive. It really felt warm and inviting and comfortable. And the donuts, I try to set a record on eating donuts for one person, and it worked out great.
What was your favorite donut?
My favorite donut was the Boston cream donut. It had, they must have stolen my grandmother's vanilla pudding recipe because they put it right into this Boston cream donut, and it tasted great. It really reminded me of my childhood.
Did you have anything savory?
Jersey Shore, obviously a Jersey Shore pork roll, egg, and cheese, like I used to have growing up every weekend on a Kaiser roll. It was exactly what I was hoping it would be.
Susanna, how was your experience?
My experience was excellent. Everything was very clean. The staff was friendly. They greeted us immediately. Very efficient. Anything that we asked for immediately was brought to the table. I had the biscuits and gravy, and I added a fried egg, roasted red pepper, and sliced tomato on top of my biscuits and gravy. Gave it even more zing than what it had. And I also tried the donuts. I tried the sour cream covered and the s'mores and the apple filled, and brought a pumpernickel bagel home, and everything was superb.
I like how you roll, Susanna. Sounds good. Lois, can you give me a summary of Dandy Donut Factory?
It's like Cheers. You walk in there, the second time you go there, they're going to know your name. They have a wonderful loyalty card. I'm going to get a free cup of coffee the next time I go. But it's not just comfort food, it's comfort diner.
Evan?
If I want to eat a dozen donuts in one sitting in the back of my car, I'm only going to Dandy Donuts. It's that delicious. They have a great menu, and it's open throughout the entire. When I have a 3 a.m. hankering for a pork roll, egg, and cheese, I can go to Dandy because they don't close.
Susanna, I love it. Susanna?
Well, it was clean. The food is delicious. Excellent service. As for Pam, she was awesome. I would definitely go back.
So you can enjoy some good old-fashioned donuts and coffee when you head on over to the Dandy Donut Factory, located at 3101 North State Road 7, with additional locations in Pompano Beach, Deerfield Beach, and Hollywood. They are open 24/7. Reservations are not accepted, and the average price for dinner without drinks is about $25.